Got the Mercury out in the wild, doing a little testing on it, doing a gear vendor test, and just got the AC going and doing a speedometer calibration. Did the fuel pump calibrate or fuel gauge calibration yesterday, but owner's coming to get it tomorrow, so kind of doing some camera shots and different things with this beautiful beast. But I'm happy with it, you know. It turned out great.
All it takes is one job, oh yeah. All it takes is one job, and everything is gonna be okay. One job, oh yeah. All it takes is one job,